some of my hands down favorite products that I use in my personal home and also my clients' homes are under $5. Can you believe it? I'm gonna tell you which ones. I just recently had a sweet client reach out to me. I've organized other spaces for her before, and she wanted to gift my services to her mom for Mother's Day.
Aww.
The budget was not huge, and that was great. We went and used products that I really do love, and it wasn't the most elaborate space, but it was functional, and it was still really pretty. We did not spend a ton of money.
I gave him a good price.
And stick around to the end because I will show you the before and afters of that pantry. You want a good quality, hardy product. Pick it up in your hands, feel it. Is it gonna collapse under the weight of whatever you put inside of it? Probably not a good choice. But I'll start with these white bins from the Container Store. I know, Container Store can usually cost a little bit extra. For good reason, they have amazing stuff there. But these are go-tos for me.
I love these because look, they've got a handle. They are a good shape in terms of rectangular. They've got straight sides, so things are not going to be awkward fitting inside. And they've got several size options, larger to smaller.
So they are a good, solid bin, good material. They range in price from $3.50 to $7 and provide a ton of bang for your buck. And just keep your eye on the Container Store website. They usually run sales on them and you can get a little bit of a discount. Over at Target, they have an entire line of Bright Room products. They just launched that new label here recently, and they are great budget products. They have acrylic, which previously was an extremely expensive investment, and they've been able to take that line and make it a little bit more accessible, but you still get the look of all the fancy pantries that you've seen. You get that look for a little bit less. Bright Room now has things for your pantry and your closet, and also just general bins in various sizes, so you can find what you're looking for at a good price. I also want to give a shout out to the Home Edit.
Clean up, everybody, everywhere. No, you missed that line. No.
They just launched a new line at Walmart, and if you can get your hands on it, they've been sold out a few of the last times I was shopping for it.
I actually found some in a store. This is their everything large bin. I love, it's so sturdy. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a good sturdy bin at a great price point. Oh, wait, nope, that's not the right thing.
They've made a line of budget-friendly acrylic resources that work great, and I used it recently in a pantry, and the quality I was really impressed by because it is still thick, doesn't feel like it's gonna crack easily, which sometimes you can run into. They sell them in packages, which they've assigned rooms. Laundry room, craft room, bathroom, but honestly, just look for whatever size you're looking for. You don't have to use them where they've been assigned. And I feel like I mention these in every single video that I do, but I love a good turntable. You're gonna use it in every room in your house, and these can get expensive at certain places, but I always have good luck finding them at places like Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. Also, Target has great ones. And they are sturdy, they spin easily, and again, under $10. That brings me to some of my favorite places to shop. I know I've already mentioned some, but I will say them again. Container Store is a little more on the pricey side, but you can find great products. You just have to know where to look. Those white bins are a perfect example of that. Target is my next go-to. They have bins in every size, color, shape, and it's all at a great price point. So have fun and maybe pick up a candle or some pillows too.
Basic.
And then of course, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. It is a little bit of a risk when you go in there because they don't always have these products on hand. But every time I go, I always walk down those aisles and just see what I have, and then I'll buy them up because I know things like turntables, I'm gonna use those. They are $5, $6. It's a great price. And I can't forget Walmart. I mentioned the Home Edit line, but they also have a lot of really great baskets in stock right now. So you just never know. You might turn a corner, you might find something you like, but I love that a lot of these stores are upping their game, bringing nice, beautiful organization products to a budget-friendly level. All right, here's a look at the before and after that I promised of this pantry I just recently completed. We used white bins from Target. They work great. We used 2 different sizes, and then we also added in a few of Target's acrylic turntables. Those turntables I used in the corners, the white ones, those are all from Walmart, and they're at the bottom. I love these baskets. They are so great, great size. Those came from Marshall's. This whole pantry from start to finish came in under $300. Just got in some new product from Walmart that I'm using in an upcoming project. This is the 5-piece pantry edit. I'm looking forward to it. And you know, if you are having trouble getting started on anything that you're trying to organize in your home, I do have a video for that, so make sure you check that out. In the meantime, I'm gonna open all this up and get inspired. Happy sorting.